You have to go look at yourself in the mirror. Do your spell.
Wingardium Leviosa? Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Look at the door.
You want a song?
You want us to sing? Happy birthday, dear Ian. Happy birthday to you. Oh, my God.
Yeah, blow your candle out. You need some help?
Okay. Can you reach it?
You go over here. You blow it out, you're 5. Oh,
yay!
Wait. You have to have the... Put it back on.
Oh, that looks very cool.
Look at Poppy.
What is that? How does...
Oh, it just twists.
Oh.
So our singing is hopefully not quite as...
Well,
Oh, all right.
She's going to do what?
Let's go back with the guy.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Well, that way then.
I don't know. Several. Okay, where are you going with this?
Yeah, I thought I